A ground fault interrupter, or GFI, typically will not trip if it is not properly grounded. The purpose of grounding a GFI is to provide a safe path for fault currents to flow to the ground instead of through a person. If there is no proper grounding, the GFI may not be able to detect a fault and therefore it will not trip. An electrical inspector will most likely fail an electrical inspection if a GFI is not properly grounded. There are several reasons why a GFI might fail to trip. Firstly, a lack of proper grounding. The GFI will not be able to detect a fault current if the ground wire is not connected to a proper ground source, such as a ground rod or a water pipe. Secondly, a damaged or broken ground wire. A damaged or broken ground wire can prevent the fault current from reaching the ground and tripping the GFI. Thirdly, a defective GFI. In rare cases, the GFI itself may be faulty and not trip even with proper grounding. To troubleshoot a GFI that is not tripping, you should firstly test the GFI by pressing the test button on the GFI. If it trips, the GFI is functioning properly and the problem is likely with the grounding. Secondly, check the grounding. Verify that the ground wire is properly connected to a ground rod or water pipe. If you are not sure, consult an electrician. Thirdly, inspect the wire connections, ensuring that all the wires are properly connected to the GFI and that there are no loose or damaged connections. And lastly, replace the GFI. If the GFI still does not trip after testing and checking the grounding, it may need to be replaced. A GFI is an important safety device that can protect individuals from electrical shock. If a GFI is not tripping, it is crucial to investigate the reason and address any grounding issues. An electrical inspector will not pass an inspection if a GFI is not properly grounded.